Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you how you can save all your Google Photos to your computer at once. So first let's go to Google Photos. As you can see on this account, just for the purpose of this tutorial, there are not many videos to be saved. However, I still would like to save them all at once. So what you can do next is go to manage your account from here, then click on data and privacy. Then scroll down until you see this section right here, data from apps and services you use. Then you see apps and services right here and click on the summary of the services and data. Now you will be able to see the data you store on your Google Drive, on your Gmail and other Google services, including Google Photos. So as you can see right here, I have 4 photos as you just saw on this account. There are not many, but if you have all of them here, you can then come and click on this download button right here. So essentially what will gonna happen now, Google will create zip file format from your photos. So if you click on continue, you can then set up how frequently you would like to do that, and I would like to just export it once, but you can automatically set frequency of your downloads of the exportions of your picture. So you can do it every 2 months for 1 year. That will take you 6 exports and so on. Okay, here you can specify the file type and size. I always leave it as a zip. I just think that's like very useful format to save them all at once, and then you can unzip it and access single images from there, and the amount of the file size. So you can choose between 1 to 10 gigabytes. Now it actually goes up to 50 gigabytes, and then meaning that if your photos are taking more than 2 gigabytes, they will be split into the separate file folders. Okay, so that depends of how many photos you're storing on Google Photos. And clicking on create export, you will see that export are taking place and you will receive email once is done. Now since I only have 4 pictures, and if I just simply refresh this page, I will see that my export is already done, and I can simply download it from here and it will be saved onto my computer once you have verified and confirm that you are the account holder. I hope this was helpful. If so, do subscribe, click the like button, and I will see you in the next one.